Good morning and welcome back everybody to another episode. Today we're taking out the old minnow today on the old cranberry marshes. We did this once before earlier this year and we caught them pretty good, pretty shallow. So today we're going to take it out and see what can happen. Didn't get a lot of time to fish this weekend, but regardless of the situation, we got today to fish. I only brought a few rods with because I don't know. I don't think they're gonna bite on much, and I don't want to clutter this boat too much. So, like I said, we're taking out the minnow to Cranberry Marsh. I'm gonna try to bring the big camera in the boat this time. It was a little sketchy last time. A little sketchy. It's pretty tipsy sometimes. You can't throw the trolling motor power up too high, otherwise she gets a little squirrely on you. But regardless of the situation, guys, we're going out, see if we can catch them today. Maybe try to do something a little different. We'll see. So stay tuned. Stopping. Lock up the old truck. All right, there she be. Good thing I looked at the back of the boat because I almost forgot that I got to put a plug in. It is kind of a pain to pull this boat. I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty damn heavy, so this will be fun. Oh God. Oh. All right, we're off. Tell you what, guys, this little John boat deal is pretty slick, but this is where they were last time, so we might as well start fishing. Start casting the sucker out there, work it back real slow. Check it the last time I was here because some other people were fishing it, so we'll check it today. That might be a bite. Yep, that's a bite. There we go. Yeah. Texas rig got him. Ooh, Bessie. Not a bad one. Not a bad one. Maybe they're pushed up in here a little further. Look at that guy. Not a bad little starter fish. Not at all. See you later there, Gary. Gary on the Gary Yamamoto Senko. Yep. You heard me say it. I said that might be a bite. Picked it up. There he was. Might have been guarding a bed. Here's the dilemma, guys. Like I said, it is really windy. So every time I try to go out to the main part, this is just a little 10-foot John. This thing just gets shoved around by the wind, okay? I don't get, like, it can't handle that out there. So what we're gonna have to do is fish this little back channel that we've been fishing, and then see if we can't just keep going up and down it and catch fish, guys. Some days you just got to work with what you got, and if we can't catch them in here, I've got some spots on the river from shore that we can try today and see if we can't get some smallie jaws. So there we go. There we go. A little bit better one. Finally. There you go, guys. Another one. Little guy, but so fun to catch them, guys. Like I said, I just love coming out to these cranberry marshes, especially when there's a ton of them around here, and it's nice when this one happens to be pretty close to my house, so it's nice to be able to just kind of jet out here and catch some fish. Oh, bit. There we go. Just a little guy, but holy Toledos. Look at this little guy. Man, he just you know, if I had a fish tank, I'd keep this guy. And I'd just make him big, man. Look at this guy. We should do that. Maybe we should do that. Drop a comment below if you guys would like me to purchase a fish tank and catch a bass and throw it in there. I know other YouTubers do it. I know they do. But like, I'm talking from a little size, like tiny size like that, and growing them huge. So let me know in the comments below if that's something you guys would like to see. Because if so, we can make it happen. It's a nice day out. It's just really windy out. I wish it wasn't so darn windy. I think there's a fish on. Yep. Oh. There we go. There's another one. Look at that wind just throw me back here. Get going with the trolling mode here. There's another one. They've all been around that size in here. There is bigger ones in here, guys. It just really sucks. I'm sorry about the wind if it's jacking up the audio. It's just really rough, but there's a fish right there. You know, when I work this back, I don't know if I'll still stay here or not. I might work it again. We'll see. But there's another one. Not bad sized guy, you know, for these marshes. But, I mean, there is bigger fish out on these marshes, guys. But given our circumstances, we kind of can't fish anywhere else but back in here. So we're doing the best with what we got. I'm just being real with you guys. Not every single time you come out here and catch giant fish, you know, or big fish every single time. And there's some spots you can probably hit from shore from here. We'll check them out. We'll see what happens. Caught a few in here, you know, had some hits. They're in here. Just gotta find the right quality ones. That's fish. There we go. There we go, a little bit better one actually. Man, you really choked it, didn't you, Bubs? Yeah. Well, I guess he's not super huge by any means, guys. But that's the, I mean, he's good colored fish. He's a healthy looking fish, guys. Nice guy, though. Take it. I'll take it. Alright guys, we're going to turn the sucker up to 5 and get ourselves out of here. I want to, oh my gosh, I forgot that this is 5 is pretty crazy on this thing. Eesh, I'm gonna fall out. Alright, so we're gonna get out of here and try some spots from shore. So before I fall off of this thing, I'm gonna, you know, try to. Alright guys, we're at the next spot. Now this spot, I fished quite a bit for smallies. I hope that hopefully we can catch them. I've got a bag here, so I think all I'm gonna do is take this rod out. Just gonna bring the Texas rig with me, and then I'm gonna put the other 2 rods in my truck. So let's go see here. Oh yeah, it's nice and cool in here though. Get way out there in that eddy sea here. So we got this current coming through and it kind of kicks to an eddy here, so. Well, it's a fish right there. I don't know if he still got it, but there he is. Got him. There we go. Got a smallie on. There he is. That's a good one too. Oh, he's right here, he's right here. Oh man, that's a good smallie too. There we go. Yes. Look at that smallie right there. Jeez, that's bigger than what we've been catching. Oh, look at that guy right there. It's a nice river smallie. What a beaut. Look at that sucker. Nice. It's the biggest one we caught all day, I think. Bigger than them largies. See you later, buddy. Man, he's fighting good, plus the current's coming down here, so dang, that was a good one. Right out there, man, he just smoked it. Heck yes. There we go. Oh, there we go. It's fighting real good. Woo! Look at him go. Come here, buddy. Dang. See here. Oh yeah. I'm gonna throw him back quick, guys. He's got him in the, he kind of got himself in the gill, but I got it out good enough, so. There's the second one. Yeah, he swam off good. It's good to go. I knew I had to be quick there, because, man, he got himself in the gill, but we got him. No worries. Alright, guys, I got broke off again. It's my mom's birthday today, so I gotta do some stuff for that, so I'm gonna actually head out. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video today. Was just trying to get out on some fish today. We tried out the marshes, way too windy, came down to the river, Old Faithful, caught a couple fish. There is more in there, but like I said, guys, it is my mother's birthday today, so we are going to wrap it up. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like and subscribe one last time, and like I always say, keep fishing hard.